AI personalization can double your reply rate. What it can also do is make you sound like a bot. Whether you get the lift or the label depends entirely on where you point the tool. Hello everyone, my name is Lucas and welcome to AnyBiz.io's YouTube channel. Sopro analyzed 151 million outreach touchpoints in 2026 and found that advanced personalization pushes cold email reply rates to around 18%, roughly double what generic messages earn. Personalized emails pull about 32 higher response rates overall, and signal-based sends, where a real trigger event meets a relevant offer, can reach 15 to 25% replies. That is not a marginal improvement, that is a structural one. The problem is that the same AI filling your pipeline is filling everyone else's inbox too. A University of Florida study of more than 1,000 professionals found that only 40 to 52% of recipients rated heavily AI-written messages as sincere, compared to 83% for messages written with light AI help. When readers sense heavy AI authorship, they do not just skim the message, they start questioning the sender's judgment and effort, which is a much harder hole to climb out of. If you're building the system for the long run, like, subscribe, and ring the bell. That way you'll be always up on what's actually working in Outbound right now. Recipients are faster at spotting AI than most senders assume. And the tells are not always what you expect. A generic emoji token, something like "I loved your recent post," signals zero research. Any tool on the market could fill that blank. Now a specific trigger, a funding round, a new hire, a product launch, tells the reader you actually did your homework and looked before you wrote. And that difference registers instantly, even when the reader cannot articulate why one email felt considered and another felt like a template. The stylistic tells run deeper than merge tokens. Evenly polished paragraphs that flow too smoothly feel manufactured, copy with no point of view, and no stated reason for the timing reads as filler, dressed up as outreach. Only about 5% of senders fully personalize their outreach, and that small group sees 2 to 3 times the reply rates of everyone else. The gap is not about tools, it is about where in the process you are asking AI to work, and where you are keeping the human judgment. AnyBiz is built around the division that data points toward. The platform runs the research and signal detection layer across email, LinkedIn, and calls, so that every message your rep sends starts from real context. That translates to list building, prospect research, trigger monitoring, and first draft sequencing that are handled through structured CSM-guided workflows, configured around your ICP. The work that eats a rep's day, without adding personal value, moves to the agent layer. The work that actually decides the outcome stays with your team. Your reps keep the angle and a specific ask. They decide which signal actually matters, write in a voice that sounds like a person, and make the close. The table in the blog we linked below breaks this split into clean reference you can use with your team today. So the teams running the hybrid structure are not just protecting sincerity, they are protecting sender reputation, reply rate, and pipeline at the same time. AnyBiz puts the layer on the layer that needs throughput and keeps your rep on the layer that needs trust. And that is the structure the 2026 data validate. And if you want to see how that setup maps to your current outbound motion, the link to book a demo with our team is in the description below. The reply lift is real and worth building toward. So is the trust cost that comes with handling the whole message to a machine. The teams that get both are the ones who made the split explicit, and not the ones who are still running AI as a content shortcut. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell if you want more of this kind of breakdown. And don't forget to visit AnyBiz.io to see what a properly structured outbound system looks like for your team. And that'll do for today. Thank you so much for watching so far, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.